You never know, there might be something else down there, but peacock bass is our main target. Let's see what happens. I can feel my bait getting nervous. You heard that?
Oh my god. No. No. No.
Oh, he took that.
No.
Come closer. Get in there. He's gonna come out. But what's in there? It's like when they're. It's like when I have them hooked.
It's probably a big bass.
No. There's pipes down there, so it's like it's wrapping around.
No.
Yo, this one feels heavy.
Pull him up.
Yo. Oh, bro, I hope the line don't snap.
It's a pea.
Oh! We got a peacock, guys. No. We got a peacock in the storm drain. Man, this one choked it too.
That's hilarious, bro. I can't believe it.
Look at this. I am stoked, guys. I never really storm drained. I mean, I've done it a long time ago, but not really on film. I dropped the bait down a storm drain,